So in the last class, case 1 finished. Work done to lift a body at rest from the surface of planet to height h. That's it. Okay. Now in the case 2, what we are going to do, see. Case 2. Work done to shift a body from rest at rest बोलेंगे. Okay. From surface of planet, into an orbit in which body revolves. Okay. So what is the work done? That is what we are going to calculate. So first, to see what we are going to do, this is a planet. Okay. Right. And this planet is having radius r and mass m. Okay. This is a planet whose radius is r and mass is m. Now, initially, there is an object on the surface, and this object we are shifting in one orbit around a planet where it revolves around the planet. Okay. With velocity, let us assume that this velocity is how much? How much is the velocity? V naught. Huh?
V naught, sir.
Yes. Yes, what you was asking? Yes. Please ask again. What is your doubt? Yes, what is your doubt? See, first we are lifting the object from the surface of planet and we are keeping it in an orbit, hai na? Means which revolves in that orbit with velocity v naught. Then what will be the work done for it? That is what we are going to calculate. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब देखो. First thing, as usual, at surface, है ना? Initial total energy, or I can say total energy at surface. So that's why TE, yes, I am writing. Gravitational potential energy is what? Minus Gm by R. Understood? Or shall I elaborate again? You know, no, last day we have finished this.
Yes,
Total
sir.
energy at surface is equal to potential energy at surface plus kinetic energy at surface. Potential energy at surface is how much? Minus Gm by R plus kinetic energy is what? 0. Why 0? Because body is at rest. It means what? Initial velocity is 0. Yes or no? And that's why total energy at surface is equal to minus Gmm by R. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, next. Now, total energy at height. Yes. Next is what? Total energy at height h. Means where? At this point. Can you see? Here is this. And this is what? At height h. So again, I am writing here potential energy at height h plus kinetic energy at height h. Who will tell me potential energy at height h? Yes.
Minus Gmm by R plus H.
Minus Gmm by R plus
R plus H.
minus Gmm by R plus H. Now, kinetic energy, what will be the kinetic energy? Bolo bolo.
0.
Why 0? Why 0 you tell? Why 0?
Half, sir.
Huh?
Half mgr.
Half m?
Gm by R.
Half m v naught square. Kinetic energy formula is what? Half m v square.
Yes, sir.
At this
M
point,
v
what is the
square,
velocity? V naught.
Half
It
m
is
v naught.
0. Yes, no? Yes.
Sir, once again say, sir.
Potential energy formula is what, Ray? Minus Gmm by distance. Here it is distance. This is what the formula of potential energy. Kinetic energy in second class, third class, you have learned formula half m v square. You have learned or not this formula?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here in the gravitation, I told potential energy formula is what? Minus Gmm by distance. From center, what is the distance at height h? R plus h. That's why this one. And kinetic energy is what? Half m v naught square, because it is revolving with velocity v naught. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I wrote there. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Right. Now, see here. This v naught is orbital velocity. Can anyone tell me what is the formula of orbital velocity? Yes. Can anyone tell me orbital velocity
Root
formula?
Sir, root gr.
Root gr. Another formula.
Sir, 2 pi a by t, sir.
नहीं रे, 2 pi a by t क्या है? वो वेलोसिटी है. ओके, बट यहाँ पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ gm वो r है. 2 pi r by t. ओके.
Root Gm by R.
ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद है? देखो, we know v naught is equal to under root of gm by r plus h. Do you know? Remember?
Yes, sir. Sir.
At height,
Now,
sir.
if I will take v naught square, can I write like this? Gm by r plus h.
Yes, sir.
Can I write like this? Therefore, total energy at height h is equal to minus gmm by r plus h. This term as it is. Can you see this term as it is? Plus half into m into v naught square is what, Ray? Gm by
Gm by
r plus h. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now what I can take common from this? G M M by R plus H common. What is left here? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. And therefore it is equal to minus G M by 2 into R plus H. How many of you understood this? Please tell me. Understood?
Understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood,
Minus
sir.
1 plus
Sir,
half
once
is
again.
minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus half is minus 1 by 2. That's why minus 1 by 2 into GMM by R plus H. Let's call this as equation number 2. Now work done, we know work done is what, Ray? Just the difference between the energies. Hey, ki nahi? What is work done? Difference between the energies.
What?
And that is also magnitude I am taking. So T on the surface, why I am taking magnitude? Because obviously this is what greater. So Ts minus T at height H. This is also magnitude you take. If you will subtract these two, what you are getting? G M by R minus G M by 2 into R plus H. This minus is in the formula. I am just taking magnitude of this. If you will subtract this, what you are getting? Bolo bolo G M into bracket R plus 2H. यहाँ पे देखो 1 by R and divided by 2R into R plus H. Okay, this is what work done for this case.
Sir, once last step you explained, sir, last step.
Okay, I think I have to elaborate because last step we did not. That's why I did not take that common. I am taking common and doing one more time. Listen. Can I take here common GMM by R? No, GMM only I am taking out. Yes, what I am doing? I am taking GMM outside. G M into bracket 1 by R minus 1 by 2 R plus H. Okay. Any doubt till here?
Yeah.
Please tell.
No doubt, sir.
Now this is equal to this into this 2 into R plus H into 1 minus R divided by 2 into R plus H into R. Understand? Into
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
M
sir.
into GMM. This is this side I have written for the time being. Okay. This GMM is there now. I have written here. Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
हाँ. तो अब देखो next step को मैं direct लिखता हूँ. Here this 2R plus 2H minus R है ना numerator. Clear?
Yes, sir.
2R plus 2H minus R. 2R minus R, R. Understand? और एक step कर दूं.
R plus H.
GM हाँ into
So R
2R plus 2H minus R divided by 2R into R plus H. Now this R and 2R minus R, what you will get? 2R minus R only. And that's why
sir.
W is equal to bolo R GMM into ये GMM भी है ना?
yes, sir. GMM into
Sir.
H. R plus 2H.
GMM into R plus 2H divided by
By
2R into R plus H.
H.
Okay. Now you understood.
Yes, sir.
Keep it in a box, this formula. And don't cancel this r plus 2h with r plus h. Answer only 2 will remain. No.
Sir.
Okay.
Last second step once again.
Are, which one? This one? Or
Yes,
this
sir.
one?
Down one now.
This one?
This, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You first write down this till here. I will explain on next page. This you wrote first.
Yes, sir.
I took common G M M. Tell me what is left here?
Sir, 1 by R.
1 by R. This minus as it is. What is left here?
1.
Huh?
1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into R plus H.
हाँ. अब इसका LCM कैसे लेते हैं? How we are taking
Sir, R
LCM?
into R into 2 into R plus H.
That is LCM, na?
Sir, 2 into R. Sir, 2 into R plus H by R minus R by 2 into R plus H.
A by B minus C by D. क्या होगा? A D
Sir.
minus BC divided by BD. Okay. Now listen carefully. G M M as it is. This is A into D means this multiplication first you do. 2 into R plus H into 1. That's why you are getting 2 into R plus H into 1. Next, minus B into C means this multiplication. 1 into R. What you are getting? 1 into R. Understanding? Divided
Yes, sir.
by this into this. So R into 2 into R plus H. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Note down karo. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone finished. Okay. So see here, W is equal to now G M M into bracket 2 into R plus H minus R divided by 2 into R plus H into R, something like this. We got the last step. W is equal to G M M into 2 into R, 2R plus 2 into H, 2H minus this R minus R divided by this 2 and R I am taking here and this r plus h I am keeping as it is. Now this is equal to this 2r minus r. How much you are getting? R plus 2h divided by 2r into r plus h. This is what W we got. Now understood? Yes.
sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Sami, you understood? Sami,
Yes, sir.
write down now itself. Arjun, you understood? Arjun, finish writing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Any doubt, please ask. Clear? hai?
Clear, sir.
Next now. Next topic you see. That is next case. Now case number 3. Work done to lift a body from one orbit into another orbit. Okay, what we have to do? We have to lift a body which is revolving in one orbit into another. How is the diagram for this? First of all, try to understand. Now you see this is a planet, and initially body is revolving in this orbit. Can you see here? This yellow orbit is what? The body revolving, right? Next, now this is another orbit. Okay, means from this yellow orbit we have to lift a body and we have to place in this orbit. Okay, understood the point? Now we are not lifting any body from the surface, just we are lifting from this point to this point. Means initially the body is at height what, ray? Let us suppose h1. What is the initial height? h1. Now from this height we are lifting to which height? Bolo bolo. h2. Understood? Clear hai?
Clear,
Yes.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
this is a planet whose radius is r, mass is m as usual. Okay. Now, what is the total energy at height h1? Who will tell me? Total energy at height h1 is equal to potential energy at height h1 plus kinetic energy at height h1. Yes. Tell me, let us assume that at this height it is having velocity v1, and at this height it is having velocity, let us suppose v2. Now tell me total energy. Yes, at height h1. First one, potential energy at height h1. Who will tell? Bolo. Yes. Potential energy at height h1. Bolo jaldi.
Minus
Minus
GM
GM by
by R.
R plus
R.
h1 plus half m v1 square. So yeah na.
Yes, sir.
Now if I will substitute this v1 is equal to root gm by r plus h1, direct shall I write like this, minus gm by 2 into r plus h1, can I write like this? Direct one, which we did already. Same like this only. Here how I have replaced this v naught square is gm by r plus h1. Similarly, here also v1 is equal to gm by r plus h1. That is v1 square, we can say. Just replace here and you will subtract. No, you will get same like this. Same how we did here. See, in this equation we have substituted
Yes,
no
sir.
this one gm by r plus h. Instead of this, just
Yes,
gm
sir.
by r plus h1 and subtract this, you will get like this. Just here at the place of h, we will substitute h1. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So total energy at height h1 is what? Minus gmm by r2 into r plus h1. Okay, right. Next. Now total energy at height h2, right? Total energy at height h2 is what? Minus, means obviously potential energy. You know this now. No need to write again and again.
Yes, sir.
Potential energy at height h2 plus kinetic energy at height h2. Potential energy at
Yes,
height
sir.
h2 plus kinetic energy at height h2. Bolo, minus gmm
GM
r
by R
plus
plus 2.
h2 plus half m v2 square. Again you substitute this v2 is equal to gm by r plus h2. Here h1 you write. Okay, minus gm by r plus h2 plus half into m into gm by r plus h2. You know this v2 is equal to what? v2 square is equal to this value. Understand? And if you will substitute this and subtract, what you will get, Ray? Bolo bolo, what you will get? Minus gm by 2 into r plus h2. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? Any doubt?
Clear, sir.
No, sir.
Same like this only. Take here already LCM is there. No need to take. GMM by R plus S2 you take common, minus 1 plus half you will get. This is the value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not? You just see GMM by R plus S2 you take common, minus 1 plus half, minus 1 by 2. That's it. Very simple. Now work done. Work done. See here, W is equal to, if we will subtract these two, direct I am writing now, total energy at surface, magnitude I am taking, anyone you subtract, total energy at height h1 we can say, total energy at height h2. If we will subtract these two, what we will get, Ray? Bolo bolo. Here h1 and h2 is there na, so minus gmm by 2 I can take common, or gmm by 2 I can take common because I have taken magnitude only. Shall I substitute? Minus gmm by r plus h1. This is 2 here. 2 into r plus h1 तो इसको मैग्नीट्यूड लेंगे माइनस इसका भी मैग्नीट्यूड GM by 2 into R plus H2. So GMM by 2 you take common. What you will get? 1 by R plus H1 minus 1 by R plus H2. Take LCM. You can do it yourself. So what is the final formula you see? Work done is equal to GMM by 2 into H2 minus H1. देखो R plus H2 minus R minus H1. So you will get this RR cancel. You can do it yourself. And down is what? R plus H1 into R plus H2. This is what the W formula in this case. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Nothing
Clear,
to
sir.
do.
Clear,
Just
sir.
simple. A by B minus C by D. Already I explained. Just R plus H2 minus R plus H1 divided by these two. You can do it. AD minus BC divided by BD. Understanding? Nothing. Very easy. Note down.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now case 4. This is last case. Additional energy required. Additional energy required to escape a body. To escape a body which is initially revolving. Which is initially revolving around the planet close to the surface. Means what? In this case, this is a planet.
Sir, my voice is stuck. The question, sir.
Hello, can you hear me properly?
Stuck question, sir. Machalo.
Okay. See here. In this case, body is
Okay, sir.
revolving. Hello. In this case, body
Yes, sir, it's
is
clear, sir.
revolving very close to the Earth's surface. Okay, very close to the Earth's surface. Then here, total and initial energy is what? Initial total energy is equal to minus GM by R plus half M V naught square, which is very close. And here V naught square is equal to GM by R plus H, but H is very less than R. That's why V naught square is equal to Gm by R. Understand? And therefore here minus Gmm by R plus half into m into Gm by R. Now what I can take common? Gmm by R common. So what you are getting? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. And therefore how much here? Minus Gmm by 2R. This is what? Total initial energy. Okay, right? And total final energy is equal to what, Ray? 0. Why? Because it is escaping. For escaping means total final energy is equal to 0, and therefore work done is equal to total energy final minus total energy initial. So you will get only this minus 0. So what is the answer? Magnitude Gmm by 2R. This is only the work done here when body is escaping. You see, when body want to escape, its total energy should be 0. That's why this condition you apply and you will get this work done. Note down. That is equal to, we can say, kinetic energy.